Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this January dump. So to do that, go to templates and I'm just going to search for January dump. Then you're going to select whichever one you want, maybe this one. Use this template. You'll need 27 clips for it. I'm not going to search for 27 clips, but you're going to basically replace the clips with your own. God, that's loud. You can't hear it, so just gonna, there we go. Here, you're just going to select replace with your own photos, or you can, I think, drag it in there if you have uploaded it. So just do that, and once you're done, you're just going to select the export button, and you're going to download it into your files here. I'm not going to do that though. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!